everybody. It's the Ginger Optimist, and I'm in Ohio today, and I am going to make a video with my beautiful young granddaughters. Can you girls say hi?
Hi!
You may remember this is the Ginger Optimist Jr., and this is my precious granddaughter number 2, my second granddaughter. And they are going to make their own recipe they came up with. And what do you call this?
Cha-Noodles. Cha-Noodles.
All right, so let's watch them and learn how to make Cha-Noodles.
So first we're gonna put in some noodles. Let's dump them in.
Oops. Do you need to stir them a little bit?
Yes, we do. So we will cook the noodles and then we'll do the spices. And these are the spices we're going to do. Chili powder. Onion powder. Pink salt, which you can use any kind of salt. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Cayenne pepper. And ground cumin. Let's mix it some more. Almost done. Okay, it has been 6 minutes, so now we are going to drain it and then we are going to start making the Cha-Noodle mix.
I think my granddaughters are going to make great little cooks someday.
Now we're putting the milk in. Now we're doing the milk. And now the cheese.
Who's going to mix?
I will. And now we're going to mix it together for a while until the cheese is melted. And then we're going to add all the spices. The garlic powder. So they wants to come out. And you don't want to put it all in one spot because then it makes it one spot and one bite tastes really bad. It would taste
Too much.
so bad if you did it in one spot.
So you put the salt. Now what are you putting?
And the cumin,
Okay.
which makes it taste really good. And now the cayenne pepper. Now the pepper. Don't make it too spicy. And finally the chili powder. Which does not want to come out. It does not like me today.
Squeeze it.
I think that's probably plenty.
So you mix it all together. And then when it's mixed really well, you got your Cha-Noodles. After you get it in your bowl, you can just eat it. After it cools down, of course.
Yeah, we'll taste test it.
We will taste test it first, though. We can't eat it
You ready to try
unless
it?
we taste test it.
All right.
I'm not quite going to take it out of the pot yet because it might not have enough seasonings in it.
Okay.
Because we
so
need to
let's
go by
just-
how it tastes. I'll get us some forks.
Oh, they're already right here, sweetheart.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's slippery.
Yep. Doesn't like us ever. Okay.
Why don't we all just taste it from this?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready?
Yep. Yeah. Cheers.
Whoop, whoop. Hold on. Okay, it's hot, so you're gonna want
Yes.
to blow it. 1, 2, 3.
That is so good. I
Why
don't think it needs
tasty?
anything else.
I think it's perfect.
Hey, you
So
guys,
if you
want to
wanna
bite?
make, if you want to make Cha-Noodles, this is how it's done. Cheese and noodles with some spices, and eat up and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching the Ginger Optimist, and I hope if you enjoyed this video, you'll give us a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. See you next time. God bless. Bye.
Bye.